Hi everyone. I have a good news for you. The thing is that being a traveler, right? मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा travel किया है and I keep sharing the travel videos. But I have recently, opened an Airbnb. So that is what I'm gonna show you. So ऊपर जो है, that's the road that you can see, right? उसके थोड़ा सा stairs नीचे is where I'm standing and this is my flat जो कि मैंने Airbnb पे open किया है. And today is what I'm gonna show you and take you around कि क्या है क्या नहीं है so that you can understand कि how it looks like. So the name of the Airbnb that I've kept is Ekant, and as you understand, like Ekant का मतलब होता है like peace, right? So that's and I'm standing at the balcony right now, और ये balcony का view है. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश है and all right because it's a rainy season, so obviously you have to like ये ढकना पड़ता है and all. But yeah, once the rainy season is over, we'll open this and I'll take you to the entrance. Okay, so what you see there, this is the living room. And the beauty is that you get everything, right? You get the entire house. Fully functional kitchen hai with the dining table and everything. And you see, matlab, gas वगैरह सब कुछ है. And I mean, all the crockery is here, right? Everything, all the sets जो भी आपको जरूरत पड़ता है राइट खाना बनाने के लिए that's there and the plates are here, fridge है and easy thing, right? I have one room. I've named this as a tea garden room with the green themed and all, right? तो ये it's again a double bed, so काफी spacious है, you can see it. Okay, this is one of the room that you can avail, and the other room is another one. And yes, you have a 43-inch TV also. It's a smart TV, so you can go ahead and watch TV. And this is the other room. इसको हमने नाम दिया है मिस्टी माउंटेन रूम और यहाँ पे व्यू काफी अच्छा है. सो यू हैव अ फुल विंडो, राइट? सो यहाँ से आप विंडो से सुबह शाम यू कैन सी. Look at this. It's beautiful, right? Okay, and yeah, so this is all here, and now I'm going to take you to the best part जो कि हमारा attic है. And this is something that all the guests love about this space. So I'm going up, and this I've named it as a recreation and reflection and reading kind of a room. So यहाँ पे बैठ के I usually do my reading and all, right? So it's a kind of a space where you can work also. So आपको कुछ काम वाम करना है यहाँ पे कर सकते हो, and you have some books, few of my favorites. You can read, and यहाँ से भी view है काफी अच्छा. That's how it is. और यहाँ पे एक तीसरा room है which is my favorite room, and that's the attic room here. So this is what it looks like. ये भी काफी spacious है, and this room comes with a balcony. Like nobody would prefer to go and stand out, but yeah, you can open it and let the breeze come in, and it has an attached bathroom also. I mean toilet rather, right? Because ये attic है, so नहाना तो I don't think it's possible, but I've geyser भी है because winters में it's cold, right? So you have a fully functional toilet here, right? So we have one toilet which is inside the gate but outside the room, और ये जो है ये toilet कम bathroom है, shower भी है इसमें. This is inside the house itself. So in total we have 3 toilets and 1 shower. The entire flat is available, so irrespective of दो लोग book करते हैं या 4 या 6, you get the entire flat, right? But if there are 2 people booking it, then we open a single room, and if there are 4 people, then we open both the rooms of the ground floor. अगर 6 लोग हैं तो we open the attic also. So that's how the configuration of the rooms are placed at the moment. And let me tell you a little about this place, okay? ये Kurseong में है, which is a town in Darjeeling. So Darjeeling दार्जिलिंग पहुंचने से 1 hour before is where is this place, and it is in the Dowhill Road. So जो Kershong का main town है वहां से it is like about 3 kilometers uphill. And I don't know if you've heard about it, but Dowhill is famously or infamously, I don't know, but it's known as the most haunted hill station in India. I haven't come across any kind of those supernatural, adventures, but yeah, I have hosted few guests who would come here and tell me we have only come to visit the haunted place. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, like ऐसे कोई ghost तो I haven't encountered it, but yeah, there is a lot of good places in and around. So यहाँ से hardly 10 minutes ऊपर you have Pine Forest. That's a very lovely place. It is surrounded with pine trees, and then again उसके थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाओगे तो you have chimney also. That's very nice. So Deorali, Chimney, if you've heard of these places, extremely beautiful. If you are a nature lover, you will thoroughly love this place. I mean, I don't live here. I am based out of Delhi NCR, but every time I come to my hometown, I completely fall in love with my own place every time. And that's what I thought. That's what I mean come to my I mean that's what came to my head rather. It's such a beautiful place. So if I can fall in love with this place every time I visit, I wanted to give this feeling to other people also. So if there are any nature lovers, if there are people who wants to be at peace, who wants to be away from the hustle and bustle of city life, then you will definitely love this place. Because I have lived in Delhi for like over 2 decades, and I know the importance of peaceful places like this. And it is really peaceful. That's what I can guarantee. इसलिए हमने इसका नाम भी एकांत रखा है. So it's solitude, right? And that's what people from the city would crave for. So I'm sure if you come to this place, you will not be disappointed. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को और गेस्ट को मैंने होस्ट कर रखा है अभी तक, एंड सब लोगों ने अच्छा रिव्यूज दिया है, एंड आई फील वेरी हैप्पी होस्टिंग पीपल एंड seeing them enjoy the place. And I'm hoping that I will be able to host few of you very soon. I guess that's all for now, and do let me know in the comments what do you think about the place. And yeah, I would love to host you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.